If you search it how make your disappearing message on Signal is your right place, so already jump right in. It's pretty simple and easy. Open up Signal and then open up any conversation, and here you will see at the top the name of person on this conversation. To set disappearing message on Signal, you just tap on name at the top, and here you will see disappearing messages. You just tap on this option, and here you will see when enable new message sent and received in this chat will disappear after they have been seen. So basically you select time when you want to this message will be disappeared and just tap on one of these. By the way, you can tap on customize time, and here you can select any time that you want to set for this conversation. When you select it, just tap on set at the top right corner. Or if you select from this one, you just tap on any of time and you will see something like that. As you can see, I have you set disappearing message time to 1 hour. This means after 1 hour all message will be deleted from this conversation on Signal app. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.